Guys, welcome to another episode of Code This, Not That, where we try to write the best code possible and avoid the bad stuff. Over the period of time, JavaScript has undergone a great amount of paradigm shift, and it's important to stay with the current practices to code effectively. Today, we will take a look into the function scenarios. First, I'll create a JSON data of a student. Now, in order to console his result in the desired format, I'm going to create a function. This function will take in an argument which is then asserted to determine the result and grade. I'll use a simple if else. Finally, I return a formatted string using string concatenation, and thereby we have the following output. I bet you already see a lot of areas where you could make significant changes and improvement over this code, don't you? Well, why don't you just comment those below before we glance over the improved code, and let's see if we sync along. So you get a time to comment all those? Well, now let's write a better, clean and concise code. We have the same student object, but I'm going to make a drastic change to the function. We can already see that there is a significant amount of lines being reduced, and if not for word wrap, we all could agree that it's a one-liner. Cool, huh? Wait, where's the console log? I almost forgot it. Or did I? Actually, there is a fishy fact about it which we will get to later on. Now, did you manage to get all these changes? First of all, I'll put those console log in place. Well, if you manage to get all these changes, well and good, or probably more. If you got more, do share with me in the comment section. I'm more than happy to hear all about it. And don't forget about this fishy fact as well, because it's quite interesting. Actually, I'll give a hint. It's hoisting. Now, let's get our facts straight on everything that changed. First of all, template literals look far more better. Next, destructuring in function param reduces repetition. Ternary operators. A true gift indeed. Then why bother writing if else for short conditions? It's always a good practice to provide a default value in params or have faster null check approach. Next in our list is what case to use. I personally prefer camel case. Last, arrow functions, which gives you cute one-liners. Well, now, did you find the fishy fact yet? I told you it's about hoisting. So, you did your research? What exactly is hoisting? Say for instance you have some declarations in later part of your code. Hoisting allows you to use even before it is declared. What exactly happens is all these declarations get moved to the top. For instance, like functions and var declarations are hoisted, whereas const or let just throws the reference error. In any case, this is the better approach and can be achieved for the above as well in the strict mode. Well, I'd be happy to know if you learned something new. Until next time, this is Suren signing off.